Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 mini and I'm going to check the speaker sound quality test. So I'm going to play this music on the highest quality. So let's start. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound in the iPhone 13 mini. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.